Hey guys, Yahoo here again. Welcome back to another video on how to build a slime in a tuxedo or suit, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm not gonna explain everything that we've been doing. By the way, if you haven't seen this, then just look at the first video. It will be in the description. Yeah, and please subscribe and hit that like button down below. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So when I was doing this video, I got up to here doing the hands, and I told you a tip of how to do the arms and the hands. You copy exactly what's at the front, and you just do this. This is all you do. You just copy what it has at the front and put it on the back. And yeah, I've done the first arm already. Now I'm just doing the second, and then we'll get on to doing the head. I should make up something like what to call you, such as squad members or something. I'm just going to call you lads for now. Hi lads. So are these my lads watching this video? Yeah, let's just carry on with the video. And now I haven't got to do much. Just got to finish off the arm. And for the head, it's going to take a bit longer. Just because I'm going to slow down. So I think I've been building this whole statue thing way too fast. From now on, when I build something, I'll just wait a second. Because I think I'm building this statue a bit too fast. But you know what to do for the arms. I've said it in my last video. Know what to do. And I said it in this video. You just copy what's at the front on the back. I've been telling you what to do this whole time. And just again, I have finished the arm. By the way, if you need a chance to finish off what you're doing, just pause the video to see if you've got everything right and you haven't got anything wrong. Oops, placed an extra block there. Now, I think it was on part 3, I said that I messed up the head, and that's because I did. You were supposed to go forward by 2, so then the head's 3D. So if I were you, I'd pause the video and do exactly what I'm doing. So all you've got to do is extend the head forward by 2. And then, like you do with the arms, you just copy what's on the front. Oops, I keep failing this thing. And because I don't have good recording things, because I'm new to YouTube, obviously. Yeah, this is my 4th video now. Every video has to be 10 minutes, and yeah, it's really annoying. I hope soon I can get a better video recorder. Now I can make videos for unlimited time. That'll be a good thing to do. So yeah, let's get on with the statue. No, I'm just going to extend the eyes by 1 block. Because I think they look rubbish how I done it. They look a bit too big. Look, a bit too like down. The eyes are a bit too far down. So yeah. Sorry if this video is complicated in any way or you don't understand what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm really sorry. On the past few videos, let's try to hit those videos to at least 50 likes. And maybe 20 subscribers would be good. Please, yeah. So if you do that, you'll be awesome if you subscribe to me right now. If you can, just spend a couple seconds of your life subscribing. And that'd be greatly appreciated. I'd appreciate it so much. I love making videos. That's the one thing I like doing on YouTube. I also like watching them, but I mostly like making them. Because when I make them, it makes you guys happy. And it like makes me useful. Because usually I'm just not doing anything. But now, I've made a change and my new hobby is being a YouTuber. Sorry for it saying this. People vote and there's a party for voting, a vote party. Really annoying. Oh damn! It's been 7 minutes already. That is very long. Well, very quick is what I meant to say. It feels like it's only been 4 seconds. Well, 4 minutes. There might be 5 parts to this thing. Like I said, I think it was on part 3. Maybe part 2. I asked, like, if you want me to build something, just comment and yeah, just comment down below what you want me to build and I'll try my best to build it. It can't be anything inappropriate though.